guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Pam. Today we're going to be making fried biscuits. They're going to be filled with a special filling. So I'll show you how to fill them and how to fry them. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Now let's get busy. Starting off making our filling. This is going to be a honey butter filling. I'm putting some butter in. You want to melt it, microwave or stove top. Make sure it's good and melted. Then you're going to need a squeeze bottle. Pour your melted butter into the squeeze bottle. Then from there, we will be adding in our honey. Now, I like equal parts of my honey and butter. Remember, all the ingredients and information will be in the description for you to reference. Now, we're going to use some Grand Pillsbury biscuits. I'm not going to use the whole can, but I am going to use a few. Feel free to use the whole can if you like. We're just going to get these separated here, and then we're going to make sure that our oil is up to temp. Now, you don't want to start off with your oil too hot because you want to give the biscuits a chance to rise, but make sure it's going to start bubbling in just a few seconds after you get those first biscuits in there. Also, you want to make sure they don't stick together. So go in with a spoon, a spatula, whatever you may have, and just tap them a few times every now and then while they're puffing up and frying. Once they're golden brown on the first side, go ahead and flip them over. It only takes about 2 minutes each side to get them nice and puffed up, golden brown. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Oh my goodness. And if you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are enjoying this video, go ahead and take a moment and subscribe to the channel. Give the video a like and share it out. Look at that fluffiness on that biscuit. Deliciousness. Now you want to make sure that you put them out on some paper towels and let the oil drain off of them. We don't want any greasy biscuits. Come on now. Then we're going to go in with our second batch. Definitely work in batches. A smaller pot where your oil can be about 4 to 6 inches deep is better than a wide, deep pot, because then you'll need just a ton of oil. They only take a second, so it's easy to work in batches. We are all done frying them. Now we've got to get them filled and put a little powdered sugar on top. So take your squeeze bottle, and the only thing we're going to do now, make sure it's good, and as you shake it up really good, make sure it's shook up real good. Just poke a hole on the side and squeeze. Now, you can put as much filling in there as you like. It will distribute throughout the biscuit. I'll show you that in a moment. You can use chocolate cream, whatever filling that you like. I just love this honey butter. These are amazing for breakfast or with any meal, actually. Now, let's go in a second, and I'm going to show you what they look like, but I like to dust mine with a little powdered sugar. When you dust them with powdered sugar, you want to make sure you let them sit and cool for at least 5 minutes. If it's too hot, the powdered sugar is just going to melt away right away. So you want to make sure that you let them cool just a bit so that when you shake that powdered sugar on there, it stays and it looks amazing and just, oh, so delicious. Oh my goodness. Now, take a look at the inside so that you can see how that honey butter distributed. It's on the bottom layer. It's through the layers. You can see the butter in there and the honey butter. Oh my, I cannot wait. Don't forget to share the video out and tell me in the comments, have you had fried biscuits? And if you try this recipe, don't forget to tag me in the recipe so that I can share you on my IG stories cooking at Pam's Place. Okay, guys, we are all done. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today, and I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.